This is another chainmail 3D print. Again, it's chainmail without joins. This is a European 4-in-1 weave. The wire, as it were, that makes up the rings is 1.5mm diameter. The inside diameter of the rings is about 8. As you can see, it's a dice bag. Inside, this is my chained D6. Again, it's a 3D printed plastic die that I painted using Peebo vitriol paints. And then we have this die here. This is another D6. I call this one stepped corner, which this one has been heat treated, and I've polished back the numbers to show the stainless steel. This die I call step twin. As you can see, it's the opposite of the stepped corner die. This one has had no treatment. This is as it comes from Shapeways. The actual stepping in the corners of on the edge of the die is joined by just about 0.2mm, and I think it's probably about that's about the limit of what they can print, even though they have changed the rules slightly more recently. You may have seen this one in another video. This is it's my dreidel. Again, I've painted it up with vitriol paints. It's a nice little die, that one. And this one, call this one stepped D12. You can see underneath, just underneath the numbers, there's some stepping. It's quite a heavy, small die, this one. And back to the bag. As you can see, it's quite a loose weave. It opens out quite wide. And I've integrated 12 joiner rings around the top to put the drawstring through, and it closes up quite nicely without puckering, because again, due to the loose weave. And there we have it, European 4-in-1 chainmail dice bag. Again, chainmail has got no joins.